All right, guys, so here we have the Thorworx MIG 200. This one truly is the best machine that we have to offer. So I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing, show you guys what is inside the box, what you get, and why this is so worth it for you guys. As you open the box, the first thing you're gonna see is you have a manual, and then you have your 6 rollers, and here you have the different sizes for different wires. So that's great, just right out of the box. So as we continue through the box, now as you can see, you have your ground here with that nice thick 35mm wire, which is 3 meters long, which is great. And again, this is fully copper, so that's really important for any ground or anything that you need to do. So it looks great. That's how it looks like in the box. Then as we continue through, here's the more exciting stuff. And then now here you have your gun and the wire that goes with it, the installation for the gun. So what's great about this gun is it's 24 KD, so it runs longer, it runs cooler, which is very important. So even though it does come with 6 tips, the whole point of that is that you won't have to go through all of them, which is gonna be really good. Same as the 140 and the 200 arc. You have your welding gloves, which is great to start off if you don't have any yourself. Here we got a little wire brush. And then this tool here is gonna go with your welding mat. And again, very easy to use and to start with. The adapter, and what's great about this is that this will get you to really run this at whatever amperage you need to, all the way up to 200. So this is your stick holder right here. This runs at a max of 200 amps, which is great. And again, it could be used for most jobs, whether in the house or in the shop. It looks really good and can get anything done. And another cool thing that this box comes with is you have a gasless flux cord wire. It is 0.8 millimeter. And again, it can be used for most jobs at home, especially if you don't have gas, which a lot of people don't have. So this is just a great starter. So you can truly just plug this in, put your spool in, and you can start welding right away, which is huge. So that's great. And lastly, before we get onto the machine, it also comes with your gas fitting, which is great. Your gas hose and fitting, so it's gonna be very easy. Again, plug and play. You get your cylinder, your gas cylinder, you connect this to it, and then this to the machine, and then you're good to go. This is your Thorworx MIG 200, the flagship welder. Again, as you can see from a first point of view, it looks great. You have your digital screen here, and then here you got your outlets to plug in your MIG welder. And then here again, you have your outlets for your stick and for your ground. And so as you guys can see, this is just another great welder that's just so easy to take out of the box and start welding with. And again, truly, I've used it myself and I couldn't be happier with it. And now, as you guys can see, these are the internals of the machine. So just like your 140, it comes with this nice little guide here for whatever you're gonna be welding. And again, for anybody who's new or just starting out, this is a great help. And here again, you have your internals, and this will suit a 1 kg to 5 kg spool, which is great. And again, this is very easy. Here you've got your roller, and again, just like that, pop it in, pop it out, super easy.